Let's get in. Our personal finance guest, Harsh Roongta of Apnapaisa.com joins in. Hi Harsh, thanks so much for joining us. Straight away, let's go across to our first caller. Rakesh Singh has called us from Mumbai. Hi Rakesh.
Hi.
How can we help you?
I wanted to ask a question that I'm planning to build wealth for my retirement.
Okay.
So I'm planning to invest in mutual fund via SIP.
Okay.
Do you think investing for 15 years is a long time?
Okay. Harsh?
So I think first of all, congratulations that you are planning for an event that is 20 years away. In fact, when you invest systematically in equity mutual funds, longer the period, better are the chances of predicting of more relatively easier prediction of what the returns will be when you invest systematically. If you invest over 10 or 15 years, a return of around 12.5% is something that you can definitely be looking at, provided you stick to good equity mutual funds. You monitor them to make sure that you weed out the ones that are not performing well and replace them with other funds that might at that point of time be performing well. I think the key, you have rightly identified that for a 20-year goal, you will invest for 15 years and then you can slowly start unwinding it for the last 5 years, so that when your retirement comes, you're not stuck with having too much of your funds in equity and you're not exposed to equity risk unduly. I think the key is we don't know the amount that you're talking about, but essentially you should have a core portfolio that should consist of large cap scrips. Maybe 60 to 80% of your SIPs should go in your core portfolio. Something like ICICI Pru Focus Blue Chip or an UTI Opportunities Fund right now. Another 20% could perhaps go in a multi-cap or a mid-cap fund like Reliance Equity Opportunities, IDFC Premier Equity. Of the overall money, please put at least 10% in a public provident fund. So to sum up, of the 100 rupees, 10 rupees in public provident fund, of the 90 rupees, 60% of that, 60 to 80% of that in large cap funds, and about 20 to 30% of that in multi cap and small cap funds.
Okay, Rakesh.